Hey, you! Yeah, you! The one with the mosh planner.
Oh no. Sorry. Gotta go, babe.
Oh my goodness. It's that Marsh guy. Wait for me.
Wow. Perfect timing. Oh, shit. Let's go. I think I lost them. It's time to find a higher ground. Yo, Moss! Hold up, damn it!
You'll never make it. Jump on.
I gotta trust the plan. You see that beautiful sunset? It's almost time. Come on. Just a little longer.
Come on, man. I thought ninjas have superpowers. Hop on. We'll catch him on the way down.
Do you think we'll make it? We must. It's all in the plan. Come on, buddy! I know you can do it! Honestly, without a plan, I'd still be stuck under that fruit stand.
Oh my goodness. It's that Mosh guy.